Okay guys, so by now we know the functions and working of motor proteins. Now let us classify them. Molecular motors are divided into 3 superfamilies. Number 1 is kinesin, number 2 is dynein, and number 3 is myosin protein. You are very much familiar with the myosin protein because they help in muscle contraction obviously, but we will be talking about kinesin and dynein as well. Well, kinesin is responsible for the anterograde transport. To understand this phenomena, we must know that a microtubule acts as a road for motor proteins to walk, and it has 2 ends, the positive one and the negative one. The transport of substances towards the positive end of the microtubule is called anterograde transport. Just like general structure of motor proteins, each kinesin molecule has 2 heads and a tail portion. One of the head hydrolyzes ATP to obtain energy. By utilizing this energy, the other head swings continuously, causing movement of the whole kinesin molecule. Each portion of the tail carries the cargo, which we just discussed, that is the substance to be transported. Now, there are 45 types of kinesins recorded. If we talk about the dyneins, then dynein is almost like kinesin, and they transport substances by moving over microtubules. But it is responsible for retrograde transport. Retrograde transport is the transport of substances towards the negative end of the microtubule. Well, you can see here that there is a dynein molecule which is transferring itself towards the negative end, so we are calling it as a retrograde transport. Total 40 types of dynein have been recorded. The last one is myosin. Myosin transports substances by moving over microfilaments. Well, in this structure, you can clearly see that there is myosin present in the microfilament. It attaches itself towards the microfilament. The globular head of the myosin binds with actin, forming cross bridges between the thick and thin filaments. When ATP hydrolysis takes place, this movement slides the actin filaments from both sides of the sarcomere towards the M line, which you can clearly see over here. This shortens the sarcomere and resulting in the muscle contraction. If we classify myosin, then there are 18 types of myosins that have been recorded, according to the amino acid sequences. However, myosin 2 and myosin 5 are functionally significant. Myosin 2 is involved in muscle contraction, which we just learned right now, while the myosin 5 is involved in transport of vesicles. So that's it. We just talked about motor proteins, its functions, and various types. Hope this have helped you a bit. Keep watching sqadia.com to learn something new every single day.